8 hours of this, it's gonna be a long day. Michelob Ultra.
Michelob? I'm a Michelob, you're Ultra.
Sorry, boss, I'll get back to work.
Get to it. Let's go have some fun. Great work is mandatory. It's a must. If you want to continue to grow and you want to get to the goals that you have set forth, then you have to put out great work. It's got to be the best. What's up, guys, and welcome back to Shop Talk. Last week, I showed you a boat that had been neglected for years. I mean, it had been left for dead. Not only was the boat covered in dirt and what looked like mold, but the Joker had been baked in the sun, leaving behind heavy oxidation. So after washing this vessel down, getting all that dirt off, we were able to see what we were working with. So from there, we had to do a test trip to see what it was going to take to get this boat in pristine condition. And this ended up taking like 10 or 11 steps of sanding and polishing to get it absolutely perfect. So now we're going to take and do the whole boat. I mean, we're going all the way around this thing and polish it to perfection. All right, Matt, you did the test strip. You know exactly what it takes. Are you prepared to do the rest of this boat?
Ready is my middle name.
Ready is your middle name. All right, buddy, well, get after it. I want to see this boat looking brand new.
Yes, sir.
So since Matt already knows the process it's going to take to make this boat shine, I'm going to let him and the guys do their magic, and I'll come back when it's time for the final few steps.
Yeah.
They talking like they don't know a king when they see one. See him in person, he take it back like a refund.
Old lady shining up good with a T.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes, sir. So now, dodging the rain and all, we've got to get some protection on this baby. And I've noticed that you went ahead and got the vinyl stripe laid down. You got it perfect. I mean, it looks great. We want to do that before we lay the ceramic or any protection. That way the vinyl stripe will stick to it, right?
Yes, sir.
That's what I thought. So anyway, so we're going to lay the ceramic coat on there, and that's going to protect this boat. So we did all this work to get the oxidation off of it, get this thing baby shining back up. We're going to get the ceramic on there now to protect it so it doesn't get back that way, so it's easy to clean, the sun doesn't damage it, and all that stuff. So now when laying ceramic, that's no one person job. You got to have two people. One person's installing the ceramic, and the second person's doing what we call leveling it down. So when we apply the ceramic on the boat, it has a flash time, and that's when the ceramic's starting to harden and the suspension materials are evaporating. Then the second person's coming with a microfiber towel and polishing that ceramic over, making it absolutely perfect. Now after doing the old wax on, wax off, it's time to let that ceramic coat cure. And that usually takes about 4 to 6 hours. Before we get to the finished product, let's take a look at where we've come from. I mean, this boat has been through it all. Lots of oxidation, lots of mold, just trashed boat. It took a major restoration. Well, here we are. It took hours and hours of muscle grease and dedication, but wow, you guys did an awesome job. Now remember, if your boat needs a lot of love like this one did, or any other detail, head on over to easynDetail.com and click Get My Estimate. That's going to do it for this episode of Shop Talk, and I'll see you next week. Dude, what the hell are you doing?
Michelob Ultra.
I'm a Michelob, you're Ultra. Ah,
We gotta have a line.
now we got to do this thing. So from there, we did a test strip, got it. I'm ready, yeah. It took about 10 or 11 steps to get it right. Why am I saying that so much? Come on, one more time. Man, you got this old lady shining up good. What am I doing now? Look where we are now. I can start right there.